Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Honda Fury with 3,207 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Mustang seats and an LED headlight. The Fury looks like a chopper but offers reliable performance and handling, making it a great option for a rider who likes customs but not custom setbacks. Powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine, the Fury puts 57 horsepower and 79 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and weighs in at 663 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.